You enter the interview room, sit down, and the interviewer asks the very first question to introduce yourself. And you're like, I know it. And you're still not able to crack that particular interview. Why? Hello listeners, my name is Sakshi and I welcome you to the ultimate skill development podcast, Skill Youth, where I talk about lots of tips, tricks, strategies and action plans related to self-improvement and skill development. In this particular episode, I am going to talk about the very first question that is commonly asked by interviewers, and that is, tell me something about yourself or introduce yourself. You must have heard it a lot many times that first impression is the last impression. And believe me, this holds completely true when it comes to an interview. While introducing yourself, it is very important that you know how significant a particular question is for the interviewer. In many cases, the interviewer can easily assess your suitability for the job just by hearing your answer to this particular question. Now, you might be thinking that how such a simple and straightforward question can have such a big impact and why most of us fail at it. Well, let me make it simple for you to understand. This question seems easy to many, but it is not. This is the question which completely revolves around you. It asks you about you, who you are personally and professionally. It gives you a chance to speak the best about you, to bring in light the qualities you possess, to highlight the strengths that you hold, and a lot more. Basically, it is an open opportunity given to you to prove that you are the best suitable for the job. Literally, you can use it the way you want to. However, many people do not understand its importance and they think that they just need to provide a brief introduction about themselves and nothing more. But as said, it is much more than that. And that is why it is very important that you understand how to answer such a simple question. So here is a list of 4 things to say while introducing yourself in an interview. The very first thing to include is your knowledge. Of course, there are many things already stated in your resume, and it is often said that we should only talk about things that are not included in it. However, one should always consider talking about the highest qualification he or she holds. Your qualifications denote the amount of basic knowledge that you have related to the job. Surely, no one would hire an HR having a degree of finance. It is therefore essential to talk about your qualifications, especially your highest ones. The second main important thing that you should include in this particular answer is your strengths. Well, your strengths and weaknesses are often asked in an interview separately. However, while introducing yourself, you can cover your strengths as it talks about your personality. It showcases who you are and conveys your suitability for that particular job as a person. Well, third is your skills. Well, if we talk about skills, it can mean your soft or technical skills depending on your background, your experience, and the kind of job you're appearing for. So keep in mind that whatever information you are sharing with the interviewer is relevant to the job and the expectations of the interviewers. That means you should avoid talking about any kind of inappropriate and unnecessary information during an interview. Focus on only those skills and strengths that will help you to do your job effectively and efficiently. The last but not the least is your experience. Experience matters a lot, of course. It impacts your desired designation, your pay scale, and much more. And hence, you should always provide details of any experience relevant to the job. In case you do not have any experience, you can talk about any internships or training that you went through. You can provide details about any project that you have been a part of. The point is to talk about the learning that you attained during this time, right? So if I just summarize a little bit, I just want you to understand that the answer to this particular question would vary as per an individual's knowledge, skills, strengths, experience, job position, organization, and a lot more. Hence, every time you go for an interview, do your study and try to make yourself as much prepared as it is possible. So there are some other quick tips, that you can use in order to answer this particular question, or maybe some other questions related to your interview. The very first one is be concise. Well, you should not consume a huge amount of time introducing yourself. Keep it short and to the point. The second one is be relevant. Well, focus more on what's important for the job rather than anything that does not relate much. Third is be confident. While answering this particular question or any other question, you are talking about yourself, and hence you should be confident, because if you are not, it would show that you are not comfortable with your own self. The next one is be calm. Well, keeping the answers short does not mean that you run through the important information, right? So keep your cool and be smooth while answering any question in the interview. Last is be expressive but not too much. Well, wear a decent smile throughout if possible, maintain eye contact, and very importantly, be and look attentive. So at last, I just want to say that cracking an interview is not that tough as it is considered. These are just some questions designed to know you as a person who might handle an important position in an organization. The only thing is to be aware of who you are in terms of your knowledge, skills, strengths, and experience. The more you know yourself, the better you can portray yourself in an interview. So thank you so much for listening to this particular episode of Skillyuk. I hope you liked it. If you wish to read more on interview preparation or any other skill, you can log on to my website, that is www.skillyuk.com. I would be definitely mentioning the link below in the description box, where you can also find a link to the same topic, that is tell me something about yourself, where you can find some great examples that you can refer to. So I will come in the next episode of Skillyuk with some more interesting things to discuss and talk about. Till then, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for your time and happy learning.